Suffer, suffer. Suffer, 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 suffer for world. Now your fault be that. Me I say, now your fault be that. Oh, hey, I want you all to please take your minds out of this musical contraption and put your minds into any goddamn church, any goddamn mosque, any goddamn celestial, including Seraphim and Cherubim. Now, we're all there now. Our minds are in those places. Here we go. Suffer, suffer for world. Amen. Enjoy for heaven. Amen. Christians go they yab. In spiritum heaviness. Muslims go they call. Allahu Akbar. Suffer, suffer for world. Amen. Enjoy for heaven. Amen. Christians go they yab.